Today, we are decoding @bean versus @component, and by the end, you will pick the right tool every time. Both are used to create an object in Spring. Both are registered in the Spring application context, and both are singleton by default. @component is a class level annotation, and object is created automatically by scanning. And whenever you write a code, you write @component on top of your class. Whereas @bean is written on the method level. Whenever you want to create a object using @bean, you create a class which has configuration on top of that class and @bean on top of the method where you create a bean. This is basically used for third-party classes like REST template or object mapper where you have the jar of these and those are present in that jar. Now I'll show you in live example how these are created. This is a Spring Boot application and here I have a class of request mapper and component is written on the class level where I'm creating object of this class using auto scanning. In config, I have a class where configuration is written on a class level and bean is used at a method level where I am creating object of it and passing that for registration by using @bean. Whenever you have these classes where the classes are not written by you and are coming from third party, at that time you write these type of creations. For example, the REST client view is coming from some other package and you cannot write component going in this class. That's why in config you create an object using @bean annotation and here you can customize these object creation. For example, in mapper you can do customization. If I show you by running this application how these objects are created, I have written system sysout here just to show you guys. I'm running this and you can see in the console the objects are created and those are created only once because these are singletons. So if I show you, this is created only once and even if I hit the request to this API, the same object is being used and it's not being created multiple times. That shows that this object is singleton object. So basically this is the difference. The component is on class level, the bean is at method level. This is auto scanned, this is not. Here object is not controlled while we have control over object creation. These are not written on third party, but we can write this on for the third party classes.